Welcome to Speak Ready English.
Thank you for pressing play today.
Your time is valuable, and we are happy you choose us.
This is your safe space. No stress, only learning.
Every word you learn makes you stronger tomorrow.
Think of our podcasts like building blocks.
One block at a time, you build your English.
This channel makes learning simple and clear for you. Today's topic is how to make longer sentences.
This is a very useful skill for speaking and writing.
After this podcast, you can turn any short sentence into a longer one.
Later in this podcast, I show you something special.
I teach you 4 simple tricks.
These 4 tricks work for any sentence.
You can use them every day when you speak English.
Stay with us to learn these tricks.
Does making longer sentences feel hard for you?
Many people feel like that at first, and they learn, you will too.
If you like slow, clear English, please subscribe.
Your likes and comments give us energy.
Your simple English is powerful.
Okay, let's begin with our first trick.
Many English learners have a problem.
They only speak in short sentences.
For example, I eat, I work, I sleep.
These sentences are correct, but they are very short.
Short sentences sound choppy, like a robot.
Today, we change that. We make your sentences flow.
Let's start with trick number 1.
This trick is called the detail trick.
The detail trick uses 4 question words.
The words are where, when, why, and how.
When you have a short sentence, ask yourself these questions.
Then add the answers to your sentence.
Let me show you. Start with a short sentence.
I eat.
Okay, that is only 2 words. Now ask, where do you eat?
At home, so now I say, I eat at home.
Better, now we have 4 words. Ask, when do you eat?
In the morning, so now, I eat at home in the morning.
Wow, now we have 7 words, much longer.
We added where and when. The sentence grew.
You can also add why. Why do you eat in the morning?
Because I am hungry.
Perfect, now combine everything.
I eat at home in the morning because I am hungry.
That is 12 words. We started with 2 words.
The detail trick is very powerful.
Remember the 4 questions: where, when, why, and how.
Let's practice together now.
I give you a short sentence, you make it longer.
Start with I study.
Ask yourself, where do you study?
Think about it, where do you study?
Maybe at home, maybe at a library, maybe at a coffee shop.
Now add when do you study?
In the evening, on weekends, every day.
Now say your full sentence out loud.
For example, I study at home in the evening.
Or, I study at the library on weekends.
Great job, you just used the detail trick.
Your turn, say your sentence now.
Okay, let's learn trick number 2.
This trick is called the connector trick.
Connectors are special words, they join ideas together.
Think of connectors like bridges.
They connect 2 short sentences into 1 longer sentence.
The 4 magic connectors are and, but, so, and because.
Let me teach you each one.
First, the word and adds more information.
I like tea, I like coffee, 2 short sentences.
With and, I like tea and I like coffee.
Now it is 1 longer sentence, simple.
Second, the word but shows a difference or surprise.
I like coffee, I drink tea at night.
With but, I like coffee, but I drink tea at night.
The word but connects two different ideas.
Third, the word so shows a result.
I was tired, I went to bed early.
What is the connection? Being tired is the reason.
Going to bed early is the result.
With so, I was tired, so I went to bed early.
The word so is very useful.
Fourth, the word because gives a reason.
I went to bed early, I was tired.
With because, I went to bed early because I was tired.
Notice something interesting.
So and because are opposites in order.
With so, the reason comes first, then the result.
I was tired, so I went to bed early.
With because, the result comes first, then the reason.
I went to bed early because I was tired.
Both sentences mean the same thing.
But the order is different.
This is very helpful to understand.
Let's practice the connector trick now.
I give you two short sentences.
You connect them with and but so or because.
Ready? Here is the first one.
I am hungry, I want to eat lunch.
Which connector works here? Think about it.
Is it a reason and result? Yes.
So the connector is so or because.
I am hungry, so I want to eat lunch.
Or I want to eat lunch because I am hungry.
Both are correct. Great job.
Here is another one.
I like summer, I do not like winter.
Which connector shows a difference?
The answer is but.
I like summer but I do not like winter.
You just made a longer sentence.
The connector trick works every time.
Remember, and but so and because.
These four words make your sentences longer and smoother. Number 3.
This trick is called the add more trick.
In English, we can describe things with extra words.
These words are called adjectives.
Adjectives describe how something looks or feels.
For example, big, small, happy, beautiful, delicious.
Let's see how this works.
I have a dog. That is a short sentence.
Now add an adjective. What kind of dog?
I have a big dog.
Add another adjective. What color?
I have a big brown dog.
Now add where the dog is from.
I have a big brown dog from the shelter.
Wow, the sentence grew from 4 words to 9 words.
The add more trick makes your sentences rich and interesting.
Now let's learn trick number 4.
This trick is called the time trick.
Adding time words makes sentences much longer.
Time words include every day, sometimes, usually, often, always.
Also, in the morning, at night, on weekends, last week.
Watch how this works.
I drink coffee, a short sentence.
Add a time word. I drink coffee every morning.
Now add where. I drink coffee at home every morning.
Add an adjective. I drink hot coffee at home every morning.
Add a reason. I drink hot coffee at home every morning because it wakes me up.
We used 3 tricks together.
The time trick, the detail trick, and the connector trick.
When you combine tricks, your sentences become very long.
Let's practice with a story now.
Jack, I want to tell you about my day yesterday.
Please tell me, Sarah, but use short sentences first.
Okay, I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work.
Those are three short sentences, very choppy.
Now let me use the tricks we learned.
Great idea, go ahead.
I woke up early yesterday because I had an important meeting.
Wonderful, you use the time trick and because.
Then I ate a quick breakfast at home.
Nice, you added an adjective and a place.
After that, I went to work by bus, but the bus was late.
You used after that to show time and but to show a problem.
So I arrived at work a little late.
You use so to show the result.
My boss was understanding, so I felt relieved.
Excellent, your story sounds so natural now.
The tricks really work.
Let's do one more practice together.
This time, the listeners will practice with us.
I say a short sentence, you make it longer in your mind.
Use any of the 4 tricks we learned.
Ready, here is the first sentence.
I work.
Make it longer, add where, when, or why.
Think about your answer.
Maybe you said, I work at an office.
Or, I work every day.
Or I work at home because I like it.
All of these are great.
Here is another sentence.
She is happy.
Make it longer, use a connector or add details.
Think about it.
Maybe she is happy because she got good news.
Or, she is very happy today.
Or she is happy so she is smiling.
Great job, listeners.
You are learning so fast.
Let's review our 4 tricks.
Trick 1, the detail trick.
Ask yourself, where, when, why, and how.
Then add those answers to your sentence.
Trick 2, the connector trick.
Use and but so and because to join ideas.
And adds information, but shows difference.
So shows results, because gives reasons.
Trick 3, the add more trick.
Use adjectives to describe things.
Big, small, happy, old, beautiful, delicious.
Trick 4, the time trick.
Add time words like every day, sometimes, usually.
Or in the morning, at night, on weekends last year.
These 4 tricks work for any sentence.
Start with a short sentence.
Then use 1 trick, or 2 tricks, or all 4 tricks.
Your sentences will grow longer and longer.
And your English will sound more natural.
Now homework time.
Take this short sentence, I like music.
Use all 4 tricks to make it very long.
Write your long sentence in the comments.
For example, I usually listen to beautiful music at home in the evening because it helps me relax.
That sentence uses all 4 tricks.
We want to read your sentences.
Remember, these tricks are tools.
Use them every day when you speak English.
Practice makes perfect.
Your English is growing every day.
We love to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If this podcast helped you, please subscribe.
Next time we have more exciting lessons for you.
We will teach you practical English for real life.
Things like talking about your feelings.
And asking questions politely.
And telling stories about your experiences.
Every podcast brings new useful skills.
Your English journey is full of wonderful things ahead.
We are here with you every step of the way.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing.
You are doing amazing work.
Step by step, your English is getting stronger.
See you in the next podcast.
Bye bye.
Bye.